The wake up call. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Hello? Do you hear me? Wake up to the reality of life. How often do we hear this wake up call? Parents in the morning waking their kids, wives waking husbands for that important appointment, children calling out to parents, "Wake up, mom and dad. I'm having a nightmare, a tummy ache, or earache." The call to wake up comes often, demanding we take action to attend to certain matters. My wake up call is to life. Are you still hanging on to hurts from yesterday? Did someone make some nasty comment to upset your peace of mind? Was your mother-in-law nagging you? Did your husband wake up in a nasty mood because of some crap that he had to deal with and vent his frustration on you? Poor you. Wake up. It's not your fault. It's not your incompetencies. It's their own negativity being rubbed off on you with the hope that by venting it out on you, they will be like pressure cookers, letting off steam. But that they have scalded you both psychologically and mentally never occurs to them. You are not responsible for the failure and frustrations of others. You are not their residual receptacles to accept all their toxic waste. You are born free, and yet everywhere you are in chains. I'm not only speaking from the women's point of view, but also from a man's. There is a saying that good girls get bad boys and bad girls get good boys for life partners. But in actuality, it is a game of musical arms because the sides keep changing and so do the players. My exhortation is to wake up and snap out of all your limitations, your negativity, your chains, your situation of being the victim. Take control of your life, or others will be driving you if you let them have the controls. Tell others that they are crossing limits, to stop using you as a doormat, dumping all their vitriolic and insecurities on you. Get up, get alive, get into a position of control. Get your priorities in order. If you're not going to take care of yourself, then no one else will. Self-worth, self-control, and self-esteem is your birthright, and you shall have it. Creative anticipation generates thoughts and processes that lead to positive results. The opposite is also true. In negative contrast, you get what you imagine, says Norman Vincent Peale. I conclude this with advice from Robert Schuller. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Today is a new day. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. There's a new day dawning for me and for you. With every dawning of the sun, new possibilities have just begun. With every breaking of the dawn, fresh opportunities are newly born. Thank you. Please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Take care. Be safe.